How's everybody doing? First off, I want to thank everybody for watching. This is 2011 Bowman Sterling Football Mini Box Break from Breakit82. Get a time and a date check. It is Wednesday, September 12th, 9:32 p.m. Central Standard Time. Here is our sealed box, as promised in the listing. The list of teams and their winners. E-dubs, you got the Packers. Areno 3781201J, you got the Cowboys. AKA 590, you got the 49ers. Doodle Froggy, you got the Browns. Big Green Raider, you got the Bengals and the Panthers. Flores Crystal 24, you got the Patriots. The Cripes 2010, you got the Redskins, Colts, and the Jets. Flickster 1, you got the Steelers and the Saints. Rob Ziplock, you got the Dolphins, Giants, and the Raiders. Kelia 8469, you got the Eagles, Falcons, Cardinals, Vikings, Bears, Broncos, Lions, and the Ravens. Jolly Fishmon, you got the Chargers and the Titans. All right, one more time. As you can see on the box, there's going to be one auto card and 2 relics per box, and 2 base. Sometimes a rookie refractor will replace a base card. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what we got. Wrapper. Here's our pack, empty box. All right, here goes nothing. Move the hits to the back. All right. First card, we got Prince Amukamara, rookie for the Giants. Next card, we got a Denarius Moore, rookie for the Raiders. All right. Here's our first. Looks like a Ray Rice for the Ravens, relic. Doesn't appear to be numbered. All right, we got another Prince Amukamara, rookie for the Giants. Doesn't appear to be numbered. And our auto is not a bad card. It's Ryan Torain for the Redskins, and it is numbered 69 of 99. Let's go through these one more time. We got the Prince Amukamara, rookie. That's actually numbered 294 out of 299. We got the Prince Amukamara, rookie for the Giants, relic, not numbered. We got the Ray Rice relic, not numbered. We got the Denarius Moore, rookie for the Raiders, not numbered. And then we got the auto is Ryan Torain, number 69 out of 99. Alrighty. I want to thank everybody for watching. Congrats to the people who got cards. I will be mailing these out as soon as possible, and that will conclude our break. Thank you very much.